Hey guys, since we last spoke, I reached out to my own doctor to see where he's at with testing, and he says that they are running out of supplies and that labs like Quest Diagnostics aren't getting results for 7 to 10 days. Of course, not everyone has that option to even go to a doctor, so they're coming here to Dodger Stadium, which has been closed for 4 days due to the holiday weekend. Now they're back open, and there is this huge line of cars. Many people were here before 9 a.m. The site didn't even open till 10. Officials expected it was going to be packed here today, but all of these people had to have appointments. And you've probably heard by now how COVID-19 cases are once again soaring across the state, as well as here in LA County. Yesterday, local health officials reported 1,584 new cases and 48 deaths, raising the county's death toll to 3,500 people and California's to 6,400. And we are expecting new numbers to be released soon. However, the death rate is trending downward. Officials say that's partly because more younger people are contracting the virus. 50% of the new cases are between the ages of 18 and 41. But deaths tend to lag between 1 to 3 weeks, so they're watching out for that, and also the increasing rate of hospitalizations, which jumped 50% over a 14-day period. We heard Governor Newsom announce yesterday that the state is closely monitoring ICU visits and how 23 of 58 counties have been flagged for not meeting the state's objectives in curtailing the spread of the virus. County officials are concerned that we could run out of hospital beds in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and the number of ICU beds could be exhausted sometime in July. So why does everyone think that this is happening?
Workplaces are increasingly becoming exposure sites, as nearly 43% of LA County residents have a job that requires close contact with other people on a daily or near daily basis.
This pandemic is still in front of us, continues to spread at rates we have not experienced here in the state of California since the beginning of this pandemic.
Back out here live as you look at this long line. Dodger Stadium now has the capacity to test 6,500 people a day, but there are no available appointments here until Thursday. And then as for the city, we're told they are planning to do 80,000 tests this week alone, and the county is hoping to open up 10 other testing locations. Reporting live at Dodger Stadium, I'm Courtney Friel, KTLA 5 News.